Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me this day. It's a beautiful October autumn golden morning. I'm so excited to shoot this video at this particular time, and we're going to rush and get to our learning. And today what we're going to do are some few household articles that we use on our day-to-day basis. So we're going to go straight on that. Let me just sip my cup of coffee. So nice. Well, the first thing we're going to learn is what we use on our day-to-day activities. And this is a cup. This is how we call this. Yekobe. 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 Now, the next thing we're going to learn is a glass. This is how you call this. Giradi. 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 The next thing we are going to learn is a plate. This is how you call this. Dhani. 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 The next thing we're going to learn today is culturally. Homa. Homa. Our next article to learn is knife. This is how we call it. Kahio. 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 Our next thing to learn is the spoon. Big spoon or a spoon. Geshiko. Geshiko. The next thing we learn is a small spoon. Geshiko kenini. Or you can also say Gashiko kanini. Our next thing to learn is a pot. That's what we use on our daily kitchen. Dhufuria. 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 The next thing we learn is the pot and its lid. Gekuneko. 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 Now, I think that's it for today. It was just a quick random video. Thanks for watching again, and keep subscribing to my channel. Like it, share it to your friends, and leave your comments down there. I wish you all a beautiful October autumn golden day. In my place, it's really beautiful. The sun is shining really bright, and I'm so excited about it. So see you next time. Have a nice day, and bye.